My name is Naman, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can build any mobile app that you want with the Replit AI agent, not only iOS, but also for Android. All right, so as you can see, I'm here in my Replit interface, and on this interface, you're going to see a variety of different types of apps that you can create, like web app, mobile app, data app, game, and you want to click on the mobile app button right over here. Now here you can see it says native apps for iPhones and Android phones built with React Native Expo. And React Native Expo is basically a framework that allows you to build the app once and then access it on multiple platforms like Android, iOS, or the web. So that's why it uses React Native and Expo. And now what we're going to do is we're going to describe our idea normally. So whenever you're working with the Replit AI agent, you write natural prompts in English. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to write a prompt. Now for this video, let's build a fitness tracker app with a red and black color scheme. So what I'm going to say is, build me a fitness tracker app with a red and black color scheme. Make it look super good and make sure it works. Keep the functionality very simple. All right, so this is a very basic prompt that I've written in completely natural language. For this video, I'm not going to be focusing on the building the app part. We're going to focus on how we can actually use it on our phone. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to build apps with the Replit AI agent. It's pretty simple. You type in whatever you want to build and Replit AI builds that for you. So I'm going to click on Start Chat. Make sure that you have this mobile app button selected, and it's going to present a plan to me now for the app before it starts building. So let's wait for it to present the plan. And then we're going to approve the plan. It's going to start building our app, and then I'll show you guys how you can use it on your iOS and Android phones. So let's just wait for it to come up with a plan for us. All right, so it's saying, I'll create a fitness tracker mobile app with a striking red and black color scheme, optimized for mobile with simple working functionality, which is exactly what we asked for. So the key word here is optimized for mobile. So it knows that we're building a mobile app. Right, so now it's saying a sleek fitness tracker mobile app with a red and black design featuring workout logging and progress tracking, everything, the basic stuff that you would want in a fitness tracker app. Then it's telling us the features that it's going to include. And you have two options here. You can go with a design or with building the entire app. For now, let's just go with build the entire app so that Replit builds the app and then we can see it on our phone. So I'm going to click on Start Building. If there's anything you want to change in the plan, you can click on Edit Plan in the bottom left corner. So we're going to click on Start Building. And now Replit is going to start building our app for us. Let's wait for it to build the entire app, and then we'll move forward with the next steps. So what you can see here is that Replit is building the app and it's testing everything out. So it's rerunning the architect review to ensure all issues are addressed. Here it's saying the app has bundled successfully. Let me verify everything works and run a final review. And you can even see a preview of what the app looks like over here. And later on, we're going to preview this on our mobile device. That's what this video is about. And we're going to see it on our iPhone and on our Android phone. But you can see that the app is looking pretty good. It's exactly what we asked for, a simple, basic red and black color scheme mobile app. So it's fixing the remaining issues. You can see that this is really like magic. I mean, a couple of years ago, building apps with AI was something that we did not imagine. We were still writing Python and JavaScript to build apps like this. But now this is happening and this is amazing. So let's just wait for it to do its magic. It's doing everything by itself. It's completely autonomous. That's what's amazing about Replit Agent 3. So let's just wait for it to build the app. You can see that it's refreshing over here. A lot of cool stuff is going on. You can even go through all the steps that it's done. So it's updated app.typescript, error fallback, updating the navigation structure to include all three tabs, writing all the screens, reading the existing screens. You can see every single step. You can go into every single code file to see the code for each file within your app. So you can see everything that's going on here. It's reading template files to understand the structure. You can see everything that it's done. So let's just wait for it to finish the issues, and then we'll be done and we'll be able to test the app on our mobile phone. All right, so now it's saying I've built your fitness tracker app with the red and black color scheme. Does the design and functionality look good to you? So what we're going to do here is we're going to test it out on our mobile device. So before we continue building, let's see how this looks on our phone. So for this app to work on mobile, we're going to need Expo Go, like I mentioned at the start of the tutorial. So the reason we need Expo Go is because it allows us to run the app on our iPhone or Android. So you can install Expo Go from the App Store or on the Play Store, depending on whatever platform or phone you're using. And once you have Expo Go installed, you don't have to do anything else. And then you want to head back over to our app, and you can see this preview on mobile device button, and you want to click on it and scan this QR code. So even here it says install Expo Go to scan and preview. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our phone and we're going to scan that QR code, and let's see what happens. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open my phone and I'm going to scan this QR code. So, all right. And now it's loading. Let's see what it does. All right, so now you can see it is loading our fitness tracker app. And this looks very nice. This is the mobile app experience. So let's just wait for it to load the app. But this is how this works. So we built an app with AI on Replit, and now we're able to see that app as a mobile application on our phone, which is amazing. So let's just wait for it to load. Since it's the first time, you can see on the bottom right part of the screen that it was downloading, and now it is started. All right. So we now have the app that is working. It's a fitness tracker app. It looks pretty basic. It's exactly what we asked for. We asked for a simple functionality. So what I can do is I can click on new workout, and I can log a workout here. So if I want to give an exercise name, I can do that. I can log a workout. So it's what we asked for in our app. And we also have a profile. So depending on whatever app you've built, whatever prompts you've written, you're probably getting your app. But the point of this and the objective of this video is to make sure that you can now test your app out as a mobile application. So if you want to proceed with this and you want to publish this app on the App Store or on the Play Store, at least you have a way to look at it as a mobile application before you do that. So that's what we've done over here. Now what you can do is you can proceed to build. You can continue building right over here. And by doing that, what you're going to do is you're going to iterate. So there's probably going to be some features that you like, that you don't like, that you want to change. And you iterate on this application until eventually you have a mobile application that you're satisfied with. And when you have that, then you can proceed with publishing the application to the Play Store or to the App Store. Now, publishing is a very long process. First, you have to get the developer kits. It's $99 every year for Apple, and $25 a one-time purchase for Google, that's Android. So if you want to publish on the Play Store or the App Store, you need one of those. And if you guys want, I can release a full tutorial on the publishing part, but this is just so that you can build Replit apps and see them on your mobile. So that's what we've done in this video. If you guys like the video, drop a like. Thank you, and peace.